Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about how can we remove face lock in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to remove your face lock in your Realme phone, so how can you remove? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So guys, we will on our phone setting guys, first of all to remove our face lock. After on phone setting up, we will scroll it and then we will click on our phone password and security setting to remove face lock. Guys, tap here. Then guys, click on guys your face lock setting. Guys, draw your pattern. Which pattern do you have? And then you can see your face lock setting and right side icon. Guys, tap here to delete means remove. Then guys, your face lock will remove. Guys, we cannot use it. So like that, guys, you can remove your face lock guys, and guys you have only this pattern lock guys. You can draw your pattern to unlock your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to remove face lock in Realme phone. So bye bye friends.